At the concert, the number of male patrons was 500 more than the number of female patrons on the first day. On the second day, the number of male patrons decreased by 10%. Alright, so it says that the male number of patrons on the second day is 10% less. 10% less means it's 110 less. Alright, than the first day of the male. That means that we want to draw for the first day, there were 10 units of male. So we draw it down first. Okay, first day, 10 units of males. And since we are told that there are 500 more female patrons on the first day as compared to male, so for the female will be this model, 500 less than men. Alright. Now, as we go on the second day, the number of male patrons decreased by 10%, but the number of female patrons increased by 15%. On the second day, the female patrons increased 15%. 15% expressed in fraction is 3 over 20. Alright. So it means to say that female on the second day is 3 over 20 more than female on the first day because there was an increase of 15%. Alright. That means to say that we want the first day females model to be 20 parts. So we put it down, 20 parts. Okay, and then on the second day, the female model will be 3 parts more than 20 parts, so it's 23 parts on the second day. Whereas for the man, we know that on the second day it has 1 less unit than the first day. So first day 10 units, therefore second day only 9 units. Alright, and we are told there were 1,680 patrons on the second day altogether. That means to say on the second day, the female and male add up to be 1680. Okay. Now, by taking this 500 over here divided by 20, so that because here we have 20 parts, so I want to take this divided by 20, so we have 25. So that means to say that this entire model, alright, 20p, and here is 20 times 25, so which is compared to the model on top, the units, 10 units, then we know that 1 unit is equal to 2p plus 50. Alright, next, we convert it into 9 units. Why? Because we want to compare it to the model downstairs. The model downstairs is having male as 9 units. Alright, so we multiply units by 9. So units is equal to 2p plus 50. Therefore, 9 units is equal to 18p plus 450. Okay. Then, by looking at the number of male and female on the second day, now we have a total of 23p plus 18p. Alright, for 9 units is equal to 1680 minus 450. So, on the left, 23p plus 18p is equal to 41p. On the right, 1680 minus 450 give us 1230. Alright. So when we take 1230 divided by 41, we will be able to find 1 part, 1p. So 1p is equal to 30 people. The question is asking us to find the number of female patrons on the second day. On the second day, there were altogether 23p or 23 parts of female. Alright, since 1 part is 30, so we take 30 multiplies by 23 parts. That gives us a total of 690. Hence, the answer to the questions, there were 690 female patrons on the second day. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.